So in performance, we'll start with first indexes. Okay, first one is indexes. As we explained yesterday, last class, what are indexes? Indexes are used to create, means it will, when you create a record, okay, when you create a record, once you load the data to the InfoCube, okay, we can create the indexes on the InfoCube. What it will do, it will generate a unique request IDs for each and every record. It will generate a unique request ID for each and every record. Okay, so whenever we generate a report on top of this InfoCube, by using these indexes, the reporting will be faster. By using these indexes, the reporting will be faster. Okay, so we can create indexes on InfoCubes. We can create indexes on InfoCubes. Okay. Indexes are used for better reporting performance. Okay. So we create indexes after loading data to InfoCube. Okay, and delete the indexes before loading the data. Okay, before loading the data means, suppose I have an InfoCube. Okay, as we said that in the last class also, whenever we write a textbook, okay, after writing the textbook, we create the indexes. After writing the textbook, based on the content what you have it, based on that we define the indexes. We never create the indexes before writing the textbook. Okay, after writing the textbook only we will have the topics in which page. So based on that we can define the indexes. Okay, and also if you are writing again, means if you are you have written a half book and you have created a indexes, then again you need to write another half. So what we do is we delete the indexes and then write the complete textbook, then again create the indexes. That is the best way to generate the indexes and delete the indexes. So in the same way, in the BW system also, InfoCube will have the indexes. Okay, so before loading the data, delete the indexes before loading data. Delete the indexes before loading the data. Once you load the data, then again we create the indexes. And again we create the indexes. Before loading the data, we delete the indexes, and after loading the data, we create the indexes. This is the process flow for your indexes. Okay, indexes are basically created on the InfoCubes, and these are basically used for your better reporting performance. Okay, if you have the indexes and trying to load the data, then the data loading will be slower. Because of that reason, what we do is whenever we are loading the data in InfoCube and we have the indexes on the InfoCube, then we delete the indexes and then create the indexes. Delete the indexes and create the indexes. Okay, let's see how do we create and how do we delete the indexes. Okay. And these indexes concepts are not available on HANA system, guys. These indexes concept is not available on your HANA database. Okay. So if you go and check in your BW for HANA systems, means where your HANA is the backend, where HANA is your backend system. In that case, we will not have the indexes. See. Okay. If you go to info provider, okay, this is your info cube. Right click. If you go to manage, okay, here you see there is one tab will be there, indexes, which is not available. Okay, fine. For that reason, what I do is I log on to ECC system. In SAP ECC also, actually we can log on to RSA1. That's what I was trying to do, but I think they have not configured that one.
My job is to make college.
Okay, if you see, can you see the screen?
Yes, yes.
Okay, same InfoCube maintenance screen, manage InfoCube, info provider, right? here contain performance. Okay, contain performance. See the second tab. Okay, second tab will have a performance, whereas in our system we don't have that performance. You see here in our BW we don't have performance. Okay, and also there is a concept called roll up. Roll up is also not available here. See what only we have 4 tabs here: content, request, collapse, and construction, reconstruction tabs. But in the older systems, okay, see content, performance, request, roll up. Okay, roll up and performance are not available in our HANA systems. Okay, let me show you that. Okay. Okay, this screen, guys, see I'm into performance. Okay, in performance tab, if you see here, we have an option called indexes, right? Can you see here? Indexes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you have to log on to RSA1. You have to select your info cube, right click, manage. Once you click on manage, you will get this screen, right? In this screen, go to performance tab. Okay, here check DB indexes, delete DB indexes, repair indexes, and in the bottom you have create DB indexes and delete DB indexes batch. Okay, so what is my requirement? I have to create the indexes. So here you have an option called create indexes, right? So we have to select that one. That's it. Once you click that, the system will automatically generate the create index. Okay, and then if you want to delete the index, yes, here this is the option to delete the index. This is how we do perform the indexes in the BW non-HANA system. Because in HANA system, the main reason why HANA has come into picture is the performance. Already these performance has been taken care on the HANA DB itself. So there is no need to perform any further activities. That's the reason if we say that HANA performance has been increased by 100 times compared to your normal DB. Okay, fine. So this is about the indexes. So how do you do that? Select your info cube, right click, manage, go to performance tab, and click on create index and delete index based on your requirement. Okay, fine.